Good morning, students of class 10. Today we will do geography, resources and development. We'll continue our lesson. So, first, development of resources. So far we have reached over here. Resources, let me read out and explain. Resources are vital. Vital means very important. Resources are vital for human survival. For our survival, we need resources, as well as maintain the quality of life. To maintain the quality of life, during this modern period, many factories were set up, many achievements have been made, progress has been made. It is all because of these resources. Without resources, we cannot progress. Our life will become very, very difficult. So now, it was believed that people think, it was believed that resources are a free gift of nature. Most of the people, they believe that resources are a free gift of nature. So, as a result, the consequence, human beings use them thoughtlessly. Many people, many countries, rich countries or many people, they use these resources thoughtlessly, and this has led to the following major problems. There are many major problems that arises because of this thoughtless exploitation of these resources. What are the major problems? You can see and look around. There is a global warming, untimely rain, cyclones, floods. These are the consequences because human beings have exploited the resources thoughtlessly. Let's talk about this. Number one, what are the major problems? Because people thoughtlessly exploited these resources. They think that it is a free gift of nature. Let's use it for our benefits. They never thought about the consequences. Number one, depletion of resources. Depletion means to become less or to reduce the quality or to reduce the amount. Depletion of resources for satisfying the greed of few individuals. Greed. What is the meaning of greed? Selfish thinking. One who thinks about himself, everything he wants for himself, that's called greed. Satisfying the greed of a few individuals. Few individuals, a few countries, a capitalist countries or the capitalists. So, to satisfy their greed, the resources are getting depleted. The resources are coming to an end. Number two, accumulation, gathering. Accumulation of resources in few hands. The resources are in few hands. Why? Because they are rich, they have the capacity to purchase or exploit. Accumulation of resources in few hands that lead to division of societies into two halves, haves and have not. The societies are divided into two groups or two categories, those who have and those who don't have. Not only the communities or societies, it is related to the countries around the world also. Some of the countries, they have enough resources, more than enough resources. They have accumulated since they have the capacity and power. Some countries, they do not have. So the societies or the countries are divided into two categories, those who have and those who don't have. Why this division is created? Because of the exploitation of resources. People think that it is a free gift of nature. Let's use it for our benefit only. Now, number three, Indiscriminate का मतलब means thoughtless, non-stop exploitation of resources has led to ecological crisis. Crisis means imbalance. Over exploitation of resources has led to ecological imbalances. You see, around the world, the rich countries are using the resources more for more development, for gaining more power and wealth. They are using more and more resources, and this has led to ecological crisis, imbalance such as global warming. As I have already told you, global warming means the atmosphere is getting warmer and warmer day by day, and this has got a great effect towards our climate. Global warming, ozone layer depletion, the ozone layer is getting damaged. High up in the stratosphere there is an ozone layer that protects the earth from the ultraviolet rays of the sun. Once this is destroyed, then the people or the living organisms or living things on the earth, on this earth, will suffer various kinds of diseases such as cancer due to ultraviolet rays. Life won't be possible here. So the depletion of ozone layer, the ozone layer is getting destroyed, damaged. There is a hole. Environmental pollution is increasing because we are exploiting the resources. We are using more than enough, more than sufficient. Environmental pollution and land degradation. The land will be degraded, unfit for growing crops or for agriculture. The lands are getting degraded, unfit. The more the people grow, the more the urbanization takes place, the more pollution and more land degradation takes place. People exploit the resources. What must be done then? What must be done in order to stop all these things, in order to control? What should be done? What steps should be taken? We'll talk about what must be done then. What steps should be taken? Equal distribution of resources has become essential for sustained quality of life and global peace. Equal distribution of resources should be done, or management, proper management of utilization of resources must be done. It has become an essential part, need of the hour to sustain quality of life, in order to sustain our life on this earth, and that too quality life, and also the global peace. What is the meaning of global peace? If all the resources are used by only one country, the other countries will be deprived of, there will be war, there will be misunderstanding. So I'll give you a good example. Suppose a river passes through 2-3 countries. If that river water is used by only one country, the other 2 countries will be deprived of the water. So naturally there will be a war, there won't be any peace, there will be misunderstanding. So the water has to be divided among all the countries equally. All must use it equally. So that's why it has become essential. This equal distribution of resources is essential. It's a need of the hour. Otherwise, the future war will be done for water, because water is such a important thing in our life. Many countries, they face acute water shortages. Why? Because the river water is being used by other countries, and the remaining countries won't get the water. In this way, there won't be any global peace if this happens. So global peace, you can see that. Or one country will blame other countries for pollution, for environmental pollution, and so on. So there won't be any kind of peace. For global peace, equal distribution of resources and their own responsibilities must be concerned or must be taken. Resource planning is essential for existence of life. So resource planning is also very important for the existence of life. If we use all the resources now within this century, then future generation will not have anything, will not have any resources. How they will survive? So we must think about them, as well as to maintain our quality life. We need to use the resources in a planned manner. So that is the lesson for today. So you go through this carefully, note down these points, remember, and carry on your studies. So it is my suggestion that you should always make a regular habit to study at home, especially during morning and evening hours. You must use your study time for study. Online study should be done, and we will continue our lesson in our next class. So that's this much for today. Thank you for watching the video clip, and tell your friends also to watch and learn from the lesson. Online learning must be done. You must encourage your friends also to learn online. That's all, and copy gets out. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you very much.